Oh my god, what you guys doing? What you watching? Oh, why am I not surprised? Welcome guys to Venture the Box, part of Venture All. Today we'll be unboxing this bad boy, the 12.9 inch iPad Pro in Space Grey. In the next video, this 2021 iPad Magic Keyboard, which surprisingly is very heavy compared to this iPad. Worried now there might be just a big stone in this. So this is the iPad Magic Keyboard. Let's put that to the side and get started. At first glance, packaging looks really good. To check if it's not a fake, you get an iPad Pro logo on the longer side, and then an Apple logo, and then again the iPad Pro logo. That should tell you what's inside is the real deal. This is a 256GB and Wi-Fi only. There is an option of Wi-Fi and cellular with this too. I'll be doing a full review of this iPad in a later video and comparing it to the 2001 iPad Pro. So now for the silence while we hear the unwrapping in its true glory. Enjoy, venturers. Wow, this thing feels like it's glued together. Come on. Wow, this is it. This is the iPad Pro Space Grey. So let's just put this to the side and see what's inside. So inside the box, other than the iPad, you get this booklet kind of thing, where you get I guess this is a startup guide. Yeah, this is a startup guide. And then we have some kind of safety information. Who reads all that? And we've got this Apple sticker. And that's about it, really. We have this USB-C to USB-C cable as well. And we have a wall plug in protected film, I guess. So this would be for charging and syncing, etc. And that's it. You get this. This is what we've all been waiting for. Let's unwrap this. Wow, this is it. This is a 12.9 inch iPad Pro. Beautiful little thing. Well, actually, big thing. 12.9 inch big thing to be precise. It's very sleek, very thin, very thin. So here, what is that little dot? Don't know. But this is, you get 4 speakers. That's the first, second. You get a power button. That's your volume controls. That's where you connect your Apple Pencil. That's the third and fourth. And that's where you connect your USB-C chargers. So at the back of this iPad, you get the Space Grey camera and the smart connector, and of course the Apple logo. in the middle. It is really light, I'm so surprised, but it's a good thing. So let's switch this on. Whoa, yeah. Let's just zoom out for you. Hello to you too. Hola, hola, hola. Right, so let's just set this up. The screen looks really clear. I mean, the clarity in this is amazing. It really is responsive, very fast indeed. Well guys, thank you for watching this unboxing. Do subscribe and watch our unboxing of the Magic Keyboard. Thanks again and take care.